Thank you very much. I would like to welcome you to yet another video where I'm going to be talking about how you can use Google Classroom as a student. I've had a lot of videos whereby I was talking of how you can create Google Classroom and how to post work for the students if you are a teacher. So in this case, I would like to invite you, or if you are a student who has got a teacher who is sending work on Google Classroom, to watch this video and be able to see how you can respond to the work that the teacher would have sent you. Thank you very much. When your teacher sends you some work on Google Classroom, the first thing that happens is that you are going to see an email notification. So you'll find a message in your email that will be saying that Mr. So-and-so or Miss So-and-so has posted some work on Google Classroom. And as a student, you can come here on the stream. It will also be able to show you some of the things that the teacher would have done, the announcements. For example, here the teacher said, I did not see your work. Maybe he was talking to all the other students. And also he posted a new assignment on conjunctions, which means this is the work that the teacher has sent to you. But I encourage you all to use this classwork, it is going to help you to see all the work that the teacher would have sent. Right. I could have quickly looked at everything here. Like here, this is the main menu where you're going to be able to see all the classes that you belong to. And then here this is your class. The stream is like a page where everything that happens on Google Classroom is written or is shown. Then the classwork is going to show us what the teacher has assigned you. So in this case, the teacher has assigned the work on conjunctions, and it's already written here, the due date, which is today. So you are going to click here on the work, and you see another notification that says view assignment. Then you click on view assignment. Right, when you view assignment like this, when the teacher has sent some work, you are going to click on it and then see everything that the teacher would have sent you. So in this case, the teacher has sent some work here. You may either use MS Word or Google Docs, then attach the work here. If you have any challenges, let me know. So these are some of the instructions that the teacher would have given to you. Now, after viewing the assignment, there are several ways of answering the questions. The first way is you can open the teacher's document. Let's say the teacher has sent you a Google Doc. Let me just show you when a teacher has sent a Google Doc here. So there are several ways of responding to the teacher's questions. Now look at this is what the teacher has just sent. Look at here. The first thing that the teacher did was he sent an image of the work. So you go and click on the image. Let's say you want to answer these questions. What you do is you may answer the questions here, but it's very difficult for you to answer on an image unless if you have got a certain software. But for the students, we encourage you to just quickly write it somewhere else or on your computer. Then you save your document on your computer. That's the first thing that you can do. Then after saving the document on your computer, you then come here and you add something, and then you add, it's either from the Google Drive. This would mean that you'd have saved your document on Google Drive. You can add a link, you can add a file, especially if your document is back in the computer. You add it in the from the file here, or you can create a Google Docs if you want to answer the question. For example, this is about this work which we have here about the creative work. Write a creative work about the most famous person you know. You may be interested in creating a Google Doc, so you just go and create a Google Doc from here, add and create. You come and create a Google Doc or a slide sheet, a Google Sheet. It depends with what the teacher would have said. But let me just quickly tell you what you can do to create a Google Doc in case you want those same questions that the teacher would have sent you. You cannot do anything to this document that the teacher would have sent if he or she has not shared it with you. So here you cannot edit it. It is saying requests edit access. Most of the teachers don't want students to edit this document. So what you do is you come on file, then after on coming on file, you go on make a copy. After making a copy, you can give it a title, copy of an untitled document, then you click OK. After clicking OK, now you have your document here. Right. What you now do is after you've answered, now you can answer the questions. Here you can edit this one. You can answer the question. After answering the question, you have to go back to Google Classroom, and you now click here and go on your Google Drive, because already this answer is now on Google Drive. And if you go on Google Drive on recent documents, you're going to see this copy of the untitled document, and you click on it and then click insert here. After that, you would have put your document here. The other way you can also do is by creating, like I said, you can create a Google Doc, a new one, isn't it? Or if you have saved some documents on your computer, you can attach the file. Or if you have already written on a piece of paper, you can take a camera, or you can take a shot or a screenshot, then you save it and then you attach it as a file from your computer. You upload it here. Right. After doing that, you need to click mark as done. And you can even also add a comment to say, teacher, I finished, but I didn't do number 3. It was very difficult for me. After click that you click mark as done. If you click mark as done, you're going to see here, you didn't attach, I didn't attach anything. Then you say mark as done like that. Then your teacher will now be able to see the work that you would have submitted. Thank you very much. I hope this has helped you a lot. Enjoy your time learning how to use Google Classroom.